Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can block an application inside of Windows 11. So let's get straight into it. And the first thing you'll need to do is head over to your Start menu, search for Windows Defender, and then head over to the Windows Defender Firewall. From the left-hand side, we need to come down to Advanced Settings. And in order to block an application, we need to create a rule for both inbound and outbound. So let's start by coming into inbound rules. And from the right-hand side, we need to come over to new rule. Now make sure you have program selected from here and hit next. Come down to this program path and hit browse. And now you'll need to locate the application that you're trying to block. Now, if you're not sure where a location is saved to, then a really good way actually to find out is just head over to your desktop. And then you can right-click on the application that we're trying to block. So let's say, for example, we're trying to block this Riot client. What you need to do is just right-click on the Riot client, come over to Open File Location, and then now at the top here, we can see the directory where this file is saved to. So I can just copy all of this up here, come back over to my Windows Defender Firewall, click on Browse again, and then we're just going to paste the URL at the top here, hit enter. And now as you can see, we can find our Riot client application. So I'm just going to double click on that, click on next, and then you'll need to come down to block the connection and hit next. Make sure all three of these are checked and hit next. Then you can just give your rule a name. So I'm going to call this blocking Riot and hit finish. And now in the inbound rules, you can see at the top here, we are now blocking that Riot client. So we need to do the exact same thing for the outbound rule. So if we just head over to outbound and once again select new rule, click on program and hit next. Once again, find the selective path. I'll be using the Riot client once again. Click on next. Make sure block the collection is selected and hit next. Make sure all of these are applied and once again hit next. Give your outbound rule a name. So I'm going to call it outbound Riot and then hit finish. And now we have both an inbound and an outbound rule created for blocking this Riot client, which is going to stop the application from accessing our computer. Now, if you ever did want to modify this in the future, it's very simple. All we would need to do is right-click on the rule that we're trying to modify, and you can either just delete it directly from here, or we can come into Properties, and we can change the rules applied to this particular application. So I can choose now to allow the application if I'd rather. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to keep it to block the connection. Click on Apply and OK. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you block an application inside of Windows 11. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.